Hey guys, welcome to a Clean With Me. I am taking down all my decorations and this actually took me 2 days. This will be the last cleaning video of the year, so I'm not sure if this will get posted up New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. We're going to start off with this day, which I was sick. I have been sick for the last, I want to say a week and a half. You can still kind of hear it in my voice. But I decided, this was a few days ago, I decided to go ahead and clean up our room and my husband's desk. I decided to throw everything in a box, and he will just have to go through that and see what he is going to keep or not, because if I wait for him, it will never get done. So, and actually, I'm also sanitizing since I was sick. I was changing out the sheets and lysoling the whole entire room. I mean, I coughed and sneezed over everything. So that is what I'm going to do this day, and then the following day I will be taking down all the decorations. The only thing that will stay up is the Christmas tree, just because my son is with his dad for the holiday and we have his gifts under the tree, so we're going to wait until he gets back in a few days, and we'll go ahead and open his gifts and then go ahead and get rid of that tree. So everything else is going to be put up. And after I finish, the house looks so bare. I had no idea how to decorate. I was actually it was kind of stressing me out a little bit, just because I just felt like, where is all my decor? I had no idea what I had up. So I'm just kind of happy I have a blank slate and I can kind of decorate from scratch. But everything is super bare afterwards. I didn't really put up anything. I kind of just put stuff, like I think I put a few things up on the mantle, but nothing that's going to stay there. I just put it up there just because, like I said, everything looks super bare. Also, guys, the purpose of this cleaning was obviously for the new year. There's a few little things that I am tackling. They're not going to be big things, but these are things that have been bothering me and just been weighing heavy on me. As far as decluttering, I have my spice cabinet, our cup cabinet, and then our plates, and then I have a table with 3 drawers that basically just become a catch-all. Like if someone's coming over or we have people over, I kind of just open these little drawers and slide everything in there. Guys, I went through all that. There was so much stuff in there. But that was kind of the goal for this. I think my goal, I have a lot of goals for the new year coming up, but I think in every video I will show a little spot that I am going to kind of tackle that has been, like, for example, oh, I forgot to mention my husband's desk. I went ahead and just threw everything in a box, and my husband will just have to go through that and see what he needs. The desk was just driving me crazy. There's just papers on top of it. Like right now I am sitting on it as I am recording this, and it is just completely empty, and I love it. I have space to sit here. But that is kind of my goal. I have little places in the house that I want to tackle and things that have to get looked through and decluttered. So I am super excited about the new year coming up, and I'm super excited about what I want to do on my channel. I have a lot of organization stuff coming out. I have my planner that I want to share with y'all, how I'm going to be planning like our meals and pretty much my whole entire life. I have a home binder that I'm going to put together. I have printables to share with y'all. I have a lot that I want to share. Just, I don't know, I felt like this year was my year to get a little bit more organized, and maybe because we did move into this house. We have been in this house for a year. We moved in this house last Christmas. But I just felt like I never really got a hold of the house, just because we were still working on it. We were still working on the downstairs. We're still doing projects. We're still going to redo our laundry room, the kids' bathroom, and our kitchen. But I want to get myself organized. So that is my big theme for next year, is organization. Like I said, I have a lot to share with y'all, and I am super excited about it.
come and swan to the local paraiso under the lazy evening sun. Paraiso, come and swan to the local paraiso under the lazy evening sun.
All right, and as you can see, this is the next day. So what I did here was I pretty much just I grabbed these bins. I think at Target I got these. Yeah, Target. And I just went ahead and just decided to collect everything that was Christmassy. Which I think I should not have done it this way, but I pretty much just grabbed everything that was Christmas related and packed it, and then I went back to those spots to clean them, which I felt like I should have I should have stuck to one spot, and then after I finish like putting everything up, go ahead and clean that spot. But I kind of did it, I don't know, I did it all weird. But it was super simple to put all this stuff up. I didn't have a lot. But it is funny because today I did go to Walmart this morning and I came back home with more Christmas things since everything was 75% off or whatever it was, 80, I'm not sure. I got a lot of things for everything was literally under $1, and I am talking from gift boxes to stockings to bows. I love pine cones. I got some of that. I did get a tree skirt. It was one of those that cost, originally it said it cost $30 and I got it for $5. It's like a velvet color, or I'm sorry, not a velvet color. It's a velvet material. So I will be needing more bins, but yeah, so that's what I did. I kind of just took everything and kind of put it in the bins, and then I went back and cleaned. And like I said, I think I should have done it the other way because it took me a little bit longer, but I did have other things I had to do, like declutter. Like I said, the side table, my spice cabinet, the cups, and I got rid of some cups as well. So yeah, I am on this like big decluttering mode for some reason. Y'all, as you can see, there is a little patch missing. That is because the command strip, it took the paint off, and I was so mad. My husband, he thinks I did that on purpose because I said, well, now we're just gonna have to paint the whole entire house. But I was so mad because command strips, they're not supposed to do that, but I don't know what happened there. Here I am just putting a piece of parchment paper over this. I decided to just keep it in here. I do have other mason jars that I can decorate with, but I just decided it's Christmassy and I did not want to use any of the lids, so I just used some wax paper and a rubber band.
this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be.
Alright, y'all, getting this mop was the best thing my husband ever did. I so love it. What I'm doing here is I make sure the water's super hot, and then I went ahead and dropped in about 3 drops of essential oils. I used the vanilla, and I am sick, so I can't smell it fully, but I was able to smell just a little bit, a hint of vanilla.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Alright, y'all, so this is the side table that I am talking about. Those drawers, they just had a bunch of stuff, just random, nothing in any particular order, just random things that were thrown in there, and I went through all of that. It did take me a minute. I will not show you the whole entire thing, but it took me a while to go through all that. I ended up organizing it. I ended up putting our batteries and my essential oils and my little tea candles in there. And that way the drawers in the laundry room, those were also one of the things I tackled. They were overflowing, so I went ahead and just dispersed some of the stuff that was in there into these drawers, and it worked out perfectly because now there's enough room and I can find things in those drawers.
Put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your
Y'all, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I love elephants. I'm a fan of elephants. I have them throughout my house. I grew up with elephants. My mom had them all over the house, and I just feel like they bring you good luck. And take it as however religious belief or a spiritual belief, however you want to look at it. For me, I feel like they bring luck, so I just have them all over our home. Also, right here, this little table just has our, when my husband and I got married, our pictures. I decided to bring out the little chalkboard pieces. When my husband asked me to marry him, he had all 3 kids with a chalkboard. The other side of the chalkboard says happy birthday because he proposed to me on my birthday. And then the side that I'm displaying, it says, will you marry me? And I think the middle one says say yes. And then the last one says, I know you want to. all the kids came out. I don't know if I have a picture, but all the kids came out with a chalkboard, and then my husband had a cake with a ring on top of the cake. So I decided to display this, and also the jars that you saw, those colorful jars, that was sand from our wedding ceremony. We had like a little sand ceremony, and each of us had a different color sand. So yeah, we decided to go that way, and I just decided to display it. It was in our entertainment center, but I just decided to display it along with our pictures. It might not stay there because, like I said, we're doing projects around the house, so I think I will be installing some shelves to display those. I'm not sure, but I just thought that it looked really cute there. Alright guys, and that is it. I got all the Christmas decorations down. The house was clean. The only part of the house that was not clean is right now you see the train track on the floor. That was because my stepson was playing. I told him he can keep it there as long as he put it up at the end of the night. So I didn't get to vacuum that whole area right there. And then of course the Christmas tree is still up because my son is with his dad. So once he gets back and opens up his gifts, we'll go ahead and get rid of the tree, and then everything gets back to normal. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, do not forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget that there's some changes, well, not really changes coming to my channel, just new things that I want to do. Like I said, it's new year. Everyone has just, I guess, I don't like calling it resolutions, but just goals. I have goals, and one of them is to be organized in the time management. So yeah, so I have a lot of things that I want to share with y'all. So yeah, hope you guys stay tuned for that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, and then stay tuned to the end of the video. My stepdaughter came up with a saying on her board, on her letter board. She's super excited about that. So yeah, all right guys, I'll see you in my next one.
Now my wheels in motion.